Hey, so I wanted to give you a little reminder that next week, so this is starting February 7th, we have a brand new live class that we're starting in the evening. It's going to go on between 3 to 5 days, probably more around 5 days. It is called Swing Trading Full Circle. So you can see here on our website, if you go to Rise to Learn, that's going to be the main checkout and classes website that we have. But if you go to the free blog website, which is where we have all our free content, you can also just scroll down and you can see that class there. So go to tradersfly.com, and then when you go there and you click the link, it's going to route you to the Rise to Learn website because that's where we do all our order processing from. So you can go ahead and grab this course. You'll get it at a discount for attending the live session. So even if you can't attend the live session, it's better to get it earlier because then after this kind of live introduction, the rate will go up. So you can check that out in the description below. So just go ahead and see the link in the description, or you could go to the website tradersfly.com and it's going to route you. So once you're there, you kind of can go through and get all the Zoom links, and you're registered, you're set up. We'll add your email to all the live sessions. Now the live sessions will be held at about 9:15, 9:20 Eastern time. So if you're kind of in California, it's going to be a lot earlier for you. So we're trying to make it kind of even for me and you guys. Some people are on the West Coast, East Coast, and depending on the length of time that we need, then that's how much time we'll spend. And we're really looking to cover a lot of technicals. So if you're not good at reading charts, if you want to learn to read charts more for your option trades, if you want to learn to read more about the technicals, we're really going to break it down in a lot of details. So, I'll give you a quick little PowerPoint insight. These are the topics that we'll cover. We're not just running through PowerPoints in this class. We are going to, use PowerPoint as a guideline for the topics that we'll cover, but we will be hopping in more on the chart. So I'll talk about, stuff like moving averages and hopping on to different types of moving averages. I'll talk about like Keltner bands and channels. We'll talk about like average true ranges. We'll talk about retracements like stocks when they pull back like this. We'll talk about ABCD patterns. We'll talk about Fibonacci sequences. So all that stuff in great detail as we go through. So if you go in and look at all these things like nibbling, retracements, committing, patience, measured moves, support, resistance, gaps. So there's a lot of things there that we'll be covering, and all of that is, using the PowerPoint as a guideline, but really we're looking at more getting deeper into the charts, looking at the charts themselves and finding different levels, what to look for, what to watch, different bars, different breakdowns, and that kind of thing. So anyways, that's what we're going to talk about in kind of that class. And we're looking to probably do about 3 to 5 sessions. I've set it up for 5 days. Sessions will run anywhere between 45 to 90 minutes. And that could be up to, 6, 7, 8 hours of content. If we need more sessions, then we'll go ahead and add that in. But I really want to make sure that this is a good rounded version of technical analysis that really complements some of the other technical analysis things that I've done, especially if you're like a long-term investor and you're looking for, hey, I'm looking to buy this stock as it's kind of rolling into this area. Like, how do you find those kinds of things? Or how do you see that a stock's acting weak or behaving weak and that kind of thing? So I'll mention different tips and tricks and techniques that you could use that matches your own personality and the way that you like to look at things. So it's all about finding things that also work for you as well. So anyways, that starts Monday, February 7th. So definitely sign up and register. Go to the website. Just head on over. You can go to tradersfly.com. And once you're there, just scroll down. You'll see that class coming up soon. And register for it and you'll be good to go. We also have another one that's going to be scheduled for February 22nd for risk arrays. This is dealing with more option trades, and I'll give you more insight on that a little bit later. It'll be a little bit of a shorter kind of class, but we'll talk about managing and allocating risk a bit more. So I've got a lot of great things planned as I worked on over Christmas break, and many other things to come. So anyways, I hope to see you in the class. It'll be live Zoom sessions. So once you register, you'll get all the details for the access there, and you can always reach out to our team make sure you test that link 10 to 15 minutes beforehand and make sure you can get in because, you don't want to be doing that the last minute or two if you're trying to attend the live session. And that'll give you an opportunity also to ask questions as we go through kind of the material. Like, you'll be able to ask, hey, well, is it important? How important is it? Does it make sense to do it this way or look at things that way? So we'll cover a lot of that stuff. And that's really a good thing to do within those live sessions. So anyways, hope to see you there in the class. You can join me and, just click the link down below and I'll see you there.